Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can reset your Lumix G7 camera or a camera of a similar nature, also Panasonic. So first things first, you're going to go up and select on, and this is to reset everything to factory settings, reset to default settings. You're going to go up to the menu button in the middle, and you're going to go to the left-hand toggle, scroll down all the way till you get to the blue spanner. And here, there's going to be several different pages. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. I'm on page 1 of 4 right now, but you can scroll all the way down to page 4 of 4, or actually 3 of 4 really, and you're going to see the reset button right there. Select the OK, reset recording settings, and then the settings are reset. Reset network settings, so we're completely wiping everything from this camera. Select yes, and then from there, network settings have been erased. You can actually reset pretty much everything by going through this list, and slowly but surely, you're seeing this camera be factory reset to default settings. Thank you, subscribe.